Hi friends! In 1 minute, we will learn how a tiny caterpillar becomes a beautiful butterfly. On a bright green leaf, in the warm morning sun, there was a tiny little egg. One day the egg began to wiggle and wobble. Out came Pip, a very small and very hungry caterpillar. Pip was so hungry. He ate and he ate. He nibbled his way right across the leaf. That is called the larva stage. Then he found a big red juicy apple and munched straight through it. With every bite, Pip grew bigger and bigger. Until one evening, Pip was round and full and oh so sleepy. So he climbed onto a little branch and wrapped himself snug in a cozy green cocoon. That is called a chrysalis or pupa. Under the moon and the quiet stars, Pip slept. 1 day, 2 days. Something magical was happening inside. Then very slowly the little cocoon began to open, and out came not a caterpillar, but a beautiful butterfly. Pip opened his bright new wings and flew up into the big blue sky. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. You learned the life cycle in 1 minute.
Bye.